The aircraft also displays an aerial refueling probe over the right wing, which indicates this particular vehicle is likely AV2/502, the second of two X-47Bs that flew in the Navy's Unmanned Carrier Air System Demonstration (UCAS-D) program that wrapped up in 2015. Though details are difficult to discern through the heat haze, the warp appears similar to the Comtom 34 inch series, which operates over an airspeed range of 200 to 325 knots. The power for the system, which can transfer fuel at 400 US gallon per minute, is provided by a ram air turbine, which is clearly visible on the nose of the warp. The part under the right wing is thought to be a standard auxiliary fuel tank similar to the 330-gallon FPU-8 or 480-gallon FPU-11 drop tanks used by the FA-18 Hornet and FA-18EF Super Hornet respectively. One photo also shows what appears to be an open-access panel or possible housing for an electro-optical IR sensor set to the upper fuselage above the centrally located engine inlet. Little has been seen or heard about the X-47Bs, dubbed Salty Dogs by the Navy, since their departure from Naval Air Systems Command's Patuxent Rover facility back to Palmdale in January and February this year. The aircraft had been in storage since the end of the UCAS-D program, facing an uncertain future when Northrop took them back with the intention of using the assets as flying testbeds for future development programs. The appearance of the modified X-47B comes as the Navy prepares to issue a formal request for proposals, RFP, later this year for the MQ-25A, the service's first operational carrier-based unmanned aerial vehicle. The call for proposals follows a draft RFP issued in June for a planned engineering and manufacturing development (E&D) contract award in 2018. The request, which is targeting the ability of UAV tankers to extend the range of carrier air wings from as early as 2019 to 2020, was sent directly to Boeing, General Atomics, Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. Northrop Grumman was contacted for a response to the emergence of these images but declined to comment.